The width is 40 inches on fold. The height is 60 inches, minus 1, because of the salvage edge. From the folded edge, for size small, you want to mark a line at 26 inches, and for larger, add 10 to 15 inches. To each size you go up, make a 7-inch for small, 8-inch for medium/large, 9-inch for plus size, mark on the folded edge. Do the same on the edge diagonal to the mark you made. Make a line to connect the marks and cut it out. Lay them on top of each other using the marks you made. Make sure the folded edge is lined up with the straight edge. Using the rest of the fabric, cut a 4-inch line straight across for the belt. Make a 3-inch mark from the folded edge, come down from that mark, and make a 2 to 3-inch mark across, and connect the marks with a curve line like you see me doing. The shoulder slope should be 5 inches. Come down from the slope and make an 8-inch mark for the armhole. Connect the mark with the small curve line up to a 1/2 inch wide from the seam line. Cut both necklines, lift the top piece up, and cut a slanted line from the slope to the front opening. Curve the bottom side seam by 1/2 inch. With the rest of the fabric, cut the top layer in half, evenly lengthwise. Then cut both layers in half. This will be the ruffle sleeve. Fold them notch the middle, then curve the edge by 1/2 inch. You're going to sew them where they are pinned at with 1/2 inch seam allowance. Sew the belt sides, leaving one small end open to turn it inside, and close the seam by hemming it with 1/2 inch seam allowance. Sew the shoulder together. Make sure you leave the armhole open. Sew the side seams using 1/2 inch seam allowance. Connect the ruffles to the armhole opening, and you're done. Hem the front opening and bottom with 1/2 inch seam allowance or do a rolled hem.